Palisade peaches are in season and we're gonna make peach high protein ice cream in the Ninja Creami. Okay, for our liquid, you could absolutely use one of these protein drinks, and that's usually what I do, but I have some cream, so I'm just gonna use it up. So I'm gonna use some heavy cream and some milk. But again, you could use almond milk, oat milk, protein drink, whatever liquid you want. 20 grams protein, clean, simple eats, peaches and cream, protein powder. Tablespoon of vanilla, sugar-free pudding mix. And I'm gonna chop up 1 peach, skin and all. Colorado peaches are really good. They give Georgia peaches a run for their money. I'm leaving this chunky because when we blend it, once it's frozen, it's all gonna mix together. I'm gonna pop this in the freezer for 24 hours. Here's the tip: if you freeze it with the lid off, it keeps it from making that little dome piece, so it makes it easier when you go to blend it. Okay, it's a different day. I just took the frozen peach mixture out of the refrigerator, let it sit out for just a couple minutes. I always add just a little bit of extra liquid before I spin it. So I'm just gonna put just a little bit of almond milk in there, just a smidge. Follow Grown Up Dish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings. It's so good. It tastes like premium ice cream, and we did use cream in it, but we also used the Clean Simple Eats protein powder, so it's got 20 grams of protein. You could top it with some fresh peaches if you wanted chunks. It's delicious.